Hey there amigos, this is George D. And did you ever wanted to draw a stickman figure or a portrait of yourself on your mobile, but you don't know anything about digital art to begin with? Well, today we are covering the basics of digital arts in ibispaint Android in 4 minutes. And here's the list of painting apps on different operating system. So first, when you click on the plus icon, you will have to decide the resolution of your portrait according to you. And if you are aware of this part, you can choose whatever you want, but if not, then I would recommend you to use this size, which is HD size. Once you open your canvas, there will be 7 buttons on your screen. 5 buttons will be important and we will go through them one by one. This is your brush button. First you have to select any one brush as per your need. For me, I do my rough work on felt tip, and for my fine line art, I use soft dip pen. But you can use any of your like, and here are some important brushes that you might find helpful. And don't forget, this slider will help you to decide the thickness and the opacity of your brush. Here's a little hack for you amigos. If you can't draw a straight line with your thumb, I know it happens, just click on this option and turn on your stabilizer and turn it to 5. You can also use these tools for different shapes. What if you made a mistake? How do you erase it? Just click on this tool and now you're in eraser mode. There are different brushes available for eraser as well, but I will leave that up to you to explore, and also adjust your thickness and opacity to your need. Now color palettes. From here you can select colors to fill in your drawing, and there are warm colors, cool colors, but more on that in later video. Click on this icon and select the bucket option and fill in the color like this, but remember to add color on a different layer. I will talk about it in few minutes. Now this is a little complicated part, but if you understand this, you will also able to use it on your Photoshop. So we are talking about layers. Layers, this is where you put different things separately. Like I put my rough art in one layer, fine art in another layer, color in my third layer, shadows on the fourth layers, and the highlights on the fifth layer, and so on. Let's look at this sides button of a layer. First, clear the layer. Second one, invert the color of the layer. Third one, transform the layer, size, perspective, or even shape. Fourth one, to flip the layer. Fifth one, merge it down into one layer. Sixth one, delete layer. With this button you can add a new layer, and with this button you can duplicate your own layer. And this camera icon, you can import your own picture and color it or do line art on it. Now amigo, there's a mode for layers, which is blending mode, which can be used to blend in lights, shadows, or different vivid colors, and it affects only the lower layer. And for basic you can use these blending options. Now let's look at an example of blending. I'm putting a light to make this picture warmer, and now I'm gonna blend it into hard light. There we go. The picture is too warm, so I'm just gonna lower this opacity using this slider, and there you have it. With blending you can achieve so many things, you just have to play around. Coloring on different layer. First add a new layer, now drag it down and color on this layer. By doing this, you can edit your color whenever you want without messing with your line art. There's so much more to explore in this application, but today I will leave that up to you amigos. And if you made anything after seeing this video, then send me your artwork on my Instagram. Here's my ID, and I will feature your artwork in my next video. And if you have any question, ask me in the comments and I will definitely answer you. I hope you amigos learned something today. If you did, then hit the like video and support the video. Share it with your friend who likes to draw. And till then, play hard my friends. Play hard.